beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today's the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it. Hey, there is a special message for Muhammadu Buhari, and there is a special message as well to all the northern leaders. For all the killings in the northern part of Nigeria, there is no day and there is nowhere we've heard about the northerners shouting and saying, we need somebody to help us to handle bandits. Neither they need somebody to help us to handle Boko Haram. But when it gets to the southeast, they will love how to interfere. Muhammadu Buhari will know how to teach them the language they understand. And now I have a wonderful video here about our beloved brother. He spread it all. He said everything that ought to be heard. Enough is enough. People are tired. Honestly speaking, people are tired of the situation. The system is not working. Let's accept it that it's not working. But in all, the only people that is making them to treat us this way, the only people that is making the northerners to see that there is no value in the southeast is the governor. The leaders in southeast, they don't care because they have ambition of 2023 to be president or to hold one position or the other. That is the problem. Now here is the video. Let us watch it.
Now calamity will be in a portion. I expect by now, those northern heads that will get sense. You they place money for Una the Kalu head. So anybody will bring Una the Kalu come dead or alive, Una will give her 100 million. Waiting, what about the Fulanis terrorists, the Boko Haram, the leader of Bìàfŕàñ, the leader of Fulanis terrorists? Una not place 100 million naira for their head to say when I bring them dead or alive, we go give una 100 million. I go punish una, including una papa. Including una papa. Including una papa. Now God will punish una, including una papa. So, time don't reach. Where busy everybody will rise up to say no to this injustice and wickedness that we are experiencing under the leadership of President Bubu. Because according to them, they say there is difference between presidential and president. How some people will just get up. You say the fair road where car one pass. Una not fair road to how now they end the insurgent. How now they end the killings of our people. Una the fair road where car one pass. Make God punish all of una. That road una no go see am. That road one they find for Edo, for Esa, for Delta, for Imo, for Were. That road one they find. Make out the one pass. Una no go see that road. That road una no go see am. Why me? That road una no go see am. Why me den una no go see am. I'm not going, but me I no die now. I'll continue to talk. Just go check. Go check Benin Abraka Road. You can't go through it. Go and check Benin Auchi Road. You can't go through it. They're not mobilized to say let us fix the road. You are here. You are looking for a road for where car one pass. You are the fine road where car one pass. Where human being never see road pass go farm. Human being the fine road in the one pass go market. They don't see. Nigeria is a fair road where the one pass go school, they don't see because of the activities of armed bandits. Now, President Bubu, the fair road where cow one pass. What a misplaced priority. Where other Western leaders, they think how do they improve their life of the people, our own, they work on how to improve the life of cow. The leaders who believe in livestock than human being. They believe on livestock, which is cow, than human being. Other world leaders, they find solution to problem. How do you ensure say graduate go to before you graduate, work that day? For Nigeria, you go suffer. You go suffer, go that jam. Jam go jam you. You go suffer, go that whack. Whack go whack you out. You go suffer, go do neko. Neko go neck you. You go suffer, still there pursue me. They go say, go bring money for bride. You manage to go university finish for 5-6 years, you will go street the beg, you will carry your file, you will move from office to office, they find work. President Bubu, he not say, hey, let us find the root of this problem. Let us end it once and for all, so that Nigeria will have a better life. No, he not let una do. Una the find road where cow one pass, cow people. Abba man, aye moria. Chineke tufia kwa wa dishi. President Bubu, nothing like grazing route for you for southern Nigeria, for east in all day, for west in all day, for south in all day, and any governor where once okay, make we give you a grazing route, we'll come after that governor. We'll come after you. Any governor from the southern Nigeria, we go okay now. Let us approve one route for cow. Oga, if you not try, any governor okay, let me battle pressure from the presidency. Let me not create road for cow. One never create a where human being one pass. Oh, continue to talk about the bill. I mean, we my. Well, I mean, we my time we no here. Anybody where they fuel where they sponsor killing of our people, you go use your anti sponsor to go kill you and your generation. Now they find crazy route. Oh me, you know, Sia. You know, Sia. President Bubu, you know, Sia. No grazing route for you for southern Nigeria, not there for you. People go manage go university finish, they'll graduate, they'll carry fire, any work, any job, they move, they'll hang fire, their shoe will come fire. When they go school, shoe fire, the remaining shoe will fire, they'll come down to the fine work. Waiting. Now you just wake up. I must look for grazing route in the southern Nigeria. Okay, no, yeah. And that's the reason why all the people, the cultists, where they kill themselves. Oh, you're going to enter forest. All the kofra, want to not kill themselves again. Want to enter forest. Want to go drive those people come outside for a minute. Come out. Want to enter forest. All the kofra, no need to kill yourself again. No need. Mona enter forest. All the witch, when soon I come and say witch, oh yeah, Mona enter forest. Mona go wishing all the people come out of the forest. No be able to kill your brother picking, kill your brother wife, kill your sister husband. No, Mona use that juju to go stop what the government they do. For as long as that juju not fit stop government, no level for una. No level. No level. All of them when they carry juju, they swear. Mona swear for government now. Mona could carry juju come on to go swear for Buhari. Mona go swear. You know let una do. You know let una do. Now to they carry juju, they swear for una picking when they are abroad. Una they swear for una's brother picking when they are abroad. Mona carry the juju come and tell swear for President Bubu if they work. If they work. Mona carry the Jew come and put for Johnson. Say today, any cow we see pass this road, you will die. Mona try. No level. No level. And they provoke una, even I really get power. No level. Not be to catch you come out. Hey,
My beloved family, hope you heard from our brother. That is the end of the video. So if you know you haven't subscribed, if you know you haven't joined this beautiful family, if you know you haven't joined us, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you when I see you. Bye bye.